Chrysanthemum flower. Importance and uses. The word chrysos means the gold and anthemum means flower. Known as the queen of the east. In India too, chrysanthemum occupies a place of pride both as commercial crop and as a popular exhibition flower. Second largest cut flower grown all over the globe. It has wide range of type, size and color and also forms. Short day plant, photosensitive. The erect and tall growing cultivars are suitable for background planting in borders or for use as a cut flower. The cultivars with the dwarf and compact growing habit, on the other hand, are suitable for front row plantation or pot culture. The decorative and fluffy bloom small flower cultivars are ideal for garland making and hair decoration. The extra large bloom cultivars for their exhibition value. Tall growing type suitable for background planting in borders. Dwarf growing for flower bed and pot culture. Loose flowers, garlands, veining, worshipping, etc. Long stem flowers, cut flowers for bouquet, vase, etc. Chrysanthemum morifolium is also as an important source of essential oil and sesquiterpenoid alcohol. Certain species like Chrysanthemum cinerarifolium and Chrysanthemum coccineum are also cultivated as a source of pyrethrum, an important insecticide. Pyrethrum is a natural source of insecticide. Origin and history. Chrysanthemum is native to Europe and Asia. It is originated in China. Species involved in the development are Chrysanthemum sinensis, Chrysanthemum indicum, Japonicum, ornatum. In China, the earliest mention of chrysanthemum was recorded by Confucius. In Japan, chrysanthemum was proclaimed as the national flower by Emperor Uda in the year 1910. At present, cherry blossom is the national flower and chrysanthemum the symbol of royalty in Japan. In Europe, in 1690, Reed described a Holland grown type from India called Gul Dudi. In France, it is primarily remained as a cemetery flower. In England, the emphasis was on exhibitions. National Chrysanthemum Society of England lists more than 5,000 cultivars. In USA, the first chrysanthemum known to be USA was dark purple imported by scientist John Stevens in 1798. The National Chrysanthemum Society of America was founded in 1890, consisting exclusively of commercial growers at New York. In India, in North India, chrysanthemum is primarily grown as for landscape gardening, either in the ground or in pots. In southern part of the country, it is mostly grown as loose flowers for garland, hair decoration by women, and offering to God. Classification. Chrysanthemum classifies based on the size, shape, flower arrangements, florets, and purpose used. The chrysanthemums are classified into several groups: small flower types, large flower types, classification based on plant growth, and based on uses. Small flowers contains singles. The petals are arranged in one or not more than 5 rows with prominent central disc. Anemones, prominent centrally raised hemispherical cushiony disc florets surrounded by short, rounded or flat twisted quill ray florets. Korean single, Korean double, spoon, decorative, quill, bottom and pom-pom. So this was all about the chrysanthemum primary introductory part. Thank you.